Just as human vessels must withstand surges in blood pressure, oil must withstand high voltages in order to reliably isolate the live parts of a transformer. To monitor the vascular system, we measure blood pressure using a tonometer, a small and easy-to-use device that provides accurate and prompt information. Something similarly simple is needed to determine the breakdown voltage of oil in order to extend the life of transformers. GlobeCore ensures the highest quality standard of transformer service equipment, including laboratory instruments for testing liquid dielectrics. Here is the TOR-80 device for measuring the electric breakdown voltage. It operates by gradually rising voltage on the secondary winding of a high voltage transformer from 0 to a maximum value, or to a value at which a dielectric breakdown occurs. The high voltage cutout time after breakdown is less than 4 microseconds. In this, TOR-80 surpasses all similar devices in existence. The oil in the measuring cell does not have time to burn and change its chemical composition, which provides the consistent conditions for repeated measurements. In terms of other characteristics and parameters, the GlobeCore device is not inferior to any of the known analogs. Compare for yourself. In the TOR-80 settings, you can select any of the current standards for electrical test methods: IEC 60156, ASTM D877, GOST 6581, etc. Even if the standard has changed over time, the user can quickly make the necessary adjustments and test the oil according to the current requirements. Therefore, the GlobeCore device can be used anywhere in the world. It also tests liquid dielectrics of various origins with a breakdown voltage below 80 kilovolts, whether they are synthetic or produced from mineral or vegetable oil. The device is quite compact, with a width of 49 centimeters, a length of 32 centimeters, and a height of 30 centimeters. It is also equipped with handles, which makes it easy to move the instrument around the laboratory or from one room to another. The oil breakdown testing process is simple. The operator must connect the device to the mains, insert the measuring cell, fill it with oil, select the required standard, and start the process by pressing the corresponding button. The TOR-80 will do the rest by itself automatically, after which the first measurement of the breakdown voltage in kilovolts will appear on the display. The entire process takes only 5 minutes. The breakdown voltage measurement error does not exceed 1%. This precision is achieved through technologies developed by GlobeCore and new industry standards. At the same time, the device remains convenient and practical. If necessary, the measurement results can be printed out on the built-in thermal printer or copied to a flash drive from the internal non-volatile memory and to a computer for subsequent statistical processing and visualization. If it is necessary to determine the breakdown voltage using a non-standard procedure, the user can do so by specifying individual settings. Let's consider them in detail. The first setting is the number of breakdown voltage measurement in one test cycle. You can select from up to 8 measurements to be performed. The second setting is the time of stirring the oil in the cell after the breakdown in seconds. You can also change the duration of hold time. This is the time from the end of stirring to the beginning of the next voltage rise. The third setting is the frequency and the limit of the testing voltage in hertz and volts, respectively. The type of electrodes and the distance between them in millimeters are also selectable. For measurements, you can use spherical, hemispherical, or cylindrical electrodes. After that, you can start a new oil test cycle with the new settings. If the operating rules are allowed, the use of TOR-80 is safe for laboratory personnel. The top cover not only protects the samples and the work area from contamination, but is also equipped with a precision control device. When the cover is in the open position, the rise of the test voltage is locked, making electrical shock impossible. Before being sent to client laboratories, all devices are tested for compliance with the technical requirements and performance characteristics by testing real oil samples with at least 900 measurements, which is equivalent to 150 test cycles. The devices are also verified with high-precision kilovolt meters. Testing oils with GlobeCore's new TOR instrument allows for timely detection of critical breakdown voltage drops and a quick decision to change or clean the oil. With good insulation, your transformer will last a long time. Would you like to equip your laboratory with this instrument? Send an email to the email address you see on the screen now, and we will send you a full description and specifications. We will also answer any questions you may have. To see other GlobeCore devices, visit our website at www.globecore.com.